Happy Friday, guys, and May Day. Holy cow, it's already May. That is unbelievable to me. All right, so guys, we are on Friday, May 1st, looking at your directions for today. So your last step of your research project before we move to our next unit is I can finalize my project by filling out the self-reflection. So you've done a lot of hard work. We'll take a couple of minutes to reflect quickly. That'll be it, all right? So number one, watch the screencast, which you are doing right now. And number two, you're gonna fill out the project reflection. Here's your screencast. There's still the sample project if you need to look at it, right? Oh, there we go. Okay, and then your project reflection is right here. So you'll click on that. Remember, it is going to ask you to make a copy. When you do that, make sure that you share it with me. It is taking a moment. Beautiful. Okay, so make sure that you come up here and share that with me on my email address. But here is what your reflection looks like. So your directions say, before turning in your project, take a moment to reflect on how you did. Please answer these questions in complete sentences. So number one, what overall score would you give your project? A 1, 2, 3, or 4? Number 1 being developing, 4 being advanced. Number 2 says, why did you give it this score? Number 3, what part of your project are you most proud of? And then number 4, if you had more time, we had another week, what would you do differently to continue to enhance your project, okay? Please answer these in complete sentences. If I see just numbers here, I'm going to return it to you and say, please try again. I'm excited to hear how you guys reflect on your project. Please also make sure you have shared your project with me, because I would love to grade it and give you credit for that and celebrate the work that you did. Thank you.